Hey guys, Ray from Love You RV and Boat. So I'm back with an update on this Aolithium Power Station package. I kind of gave you a quick look at it in the summer, and I've been using their stuff ever since, kind of testing it out. Now I have a lot of good things to say about some of the equipment, and then some bad as far as for RVers. I don't think it's a good bet. So first of all, they use these Aolithium batteries, which I've reviewed in the past, and I really like them. Quality built batteries, good cells in them. They have an app, and their price is actually pretty cheap too for what you get. I used 3 of them while we were boating this summer, and they performed really well. They're what hooks up to this power station that they've been building. So I have to admit, the inverter part of it is pretty good. It can put out 2,000 watts. I even was able to start my air conditioner in my RV using this box. So pretty impressive little inverter in here. No complaints there. You can see it here right now. It's putting out a load of almost 1,800 watts off these 2 Aolithium batteries. You can also parallel 2 of these boxes and get 4,000 watts as one of their features. Also, you can hook up to 8 batteries to this thing, so you could have a lot of extra storage in it. It also, the kit comes with a really nice solar panel, 420 watt solar panel. I'll give you a look at that. And I actually used that on our boating this summer as well. I would put it out on the bow, and it would bring in good power. I like the way it folds up nice and neat, easy to put away. So I've actually brought it down to the desert this year to use as well with my power system. So those are sort of the good things about it. Now, why wouldn't I recommend it to my RVing audience? One big drawback is you have to hook up 2 batteries in series for 24 volts. It takes a 24 volt feed into this box, which is probably why they could keep it quite small, and it actually runs quite well because it's a 24 volt inverter, so it's pretty efficient. But it's kind of a downfall for RVers because most RVs are running on 12 volt systems, so it can be a pain for people to hook up if they aren't right into the DIY aspect of everything. It's not really a good plug and play system for RVing. Maybe for home backup you could utilize it. Another thing I found, this doesn't seem to charge. The box I got, it said in their literature it could charge at 1,000 watts, but I could never get it to charge past 350 watts. So it's kind of a slow charging system. I don't really like the case design and the buttons. I think they need to kind of refine that. This thing actually feels like you could peel it off. But what I got was maybe a prototype type model, early stages of it. But that's another downfall of this system, is right now it's still in Kickstarter, and I'm not a big fan of Kickstarters. Like, if you're going to put out a product, put it out, refine it, don't have people beta testing it for you. So I don't think it's really ready for prime time. I'll link to their Kickstarter page if you want. They may end up doing a good enough deal on it that you might want to get the batteries or the solar panel, and maybe this thing would be thrown in. So I don't know about that. Anyway, their Kickstarter started sometime in August, and they were saying delivery in November, and I still haven't heard anything. I haven't even actually heard anything from the company, so maybe they're having problems with these units as well. Anyway, that's my update on it. I'm just not really a fan of this box. I'm a fan of their batteries and the solar panel, just not this in-between box. Any questions or anything, just leave them in the comments below. Till next time, Ray from Love You RV and Boat. Cheers, everyone.